let's talk about a moment about why we want to get rid of the cylinder testing. It's not just because it's 100 years old, but really because of that inconsistency drive a lot of problem in our industry, right? So we now have to add 25% more cement in our mix. So to make sure we're compensated that inconsistency, right? Everybody know if I get a bad breaks, and then I have to pay more money to fix it. So why not I put 25% more cement? Number one, you waste a lot of material. Number two, cement is the most expensive thing in the concrete. Like, right? So you add a lot of the cost to the contractor, to the owners. Number three, which is the biggest issue, we're not talking about it. Because of that 25% of more cement causing more durability issue. Now I have people complaining, oh, there's an early age cracks, there's bleeding, there is scaling. Why? Because you add more cement, more than what's needed. There is not enough water, not enough other material to reacting, right? You basically against the physics. So therefore, we have waste more material, build a worse product. That's the fundamental challenge of the cylinder testing. We need to get rid of that inconsistent testing. And I'm really happy we are part of this equation. Again, thank you, Joe. Thank you, Suzanne, to join the company, right? And I believe because of this, you see the bigger challenge we're facing in our society. We're addressing this. And I did not take you much of to decide to help to contribute, although this is a very risky journey. And I still, and thanks to all the industry partners, and also hope as a professor teaching in the largest civil engineering program in the nation, Purdue Civil is the highest ranking, right? Number 2 in the nation. And then we're largest program. And I was also previous department head, and I really hope we can contribute something to our society to address this problem. Again, I want to say concrete, it's the largest single used material in the world, right? If we can reduce 25% oversubscription of the cement, what is the contribution we make to the society as all the civil engineers join this webinar and in this community? I do urge you, please take the opportunity to do one pilot testing and tell us if this is good or not, and how can we further improve. And thank you to be a great partner.